Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about layout containers. I know people have some strong feelings one way or the other about them. I like them, and so I'm going to show you one of the reasons why I do like them. If layout containers are something you're interested in, please leave a comment and let me know, and if I get enough comments, I'll do a video with a little bit more information about layout containers. The biggest reason I like layout containers is because you're able to control the fixed dimension, either height or width, versus not having that control. For example, this is a dashboard built without using layout containers, no layout containers. And left clicking here, usually there's an option down here that says fixed height and fixed width. So why is that important? Well, it's only important if you're going to be dealing with an automatic or a range size on your dashboard. And if you have it fixed, then Tableau will take these other items that are not fixed and use that as the buffer. And so you can maintain your icons or your charts at a specific size. For example, coming over here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Dashboard 3, this has got layout containers. And when I click on here, you'll see this little pin, fixed height. And so now I will fix the height, fixed height, fixed height. One thing this will also allow you to do is if you come in here, you can edit the height or the width, and you can make sure that your icons in this case, or your worksheets or your maps or your charts or whatever are all the same height. And so you can have a little more control over it that way. And then I would take this off of height, and now if the screen gets scrunched up under automatic, it will keep these the same and just make this portion smaller. That's the main reason. The other reason, this is a bonus, come under analysis, you want to add a filter, order city. So you have your order city over here. You want that, I want that under the banner. So I'm going to grab that, I'm going to bring it under here. The same thing on the layout container. Now, without the layout container. So now if you come over here, you can select the layout container, and you can see that both this top client list and this bottom miscellaneous info are in the same layout container. So I can move the whole container over at once. If you don't have that, then you have to move each one separately. And this also makes sure that these stay the same height and same width. So that is the reason why I like layout containers, is because you have more control over the height or the width, depending on which way your layout container is going, and allows you to identify where Tableau will take the buffer in. Enjoy, and remember, leave comments if you want to hear more about layout containers. Thanks for watching.